You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those three words. There is quite a lot of confusion and mispronunciations out there, so let's clear things up once and for all. It's pretty simple. You will see. Let's break it down. Let's start with the first word. This one, in British English, it's pronounced air, air, air. The Americans pronounce the R and say it as air. So that's what you breathe. That's the gas that is around you. That's the air, okay? Now, if you add an H sound at the beginning, it forms the pronunciation hair. It's the same pronunciation, but with you just blow the air a little bit out of your mouth. Hair, okay? So that's what you have on your head and on your body. Hair. Now, this one here looks like hair with an H, but the H is silent for reasons I'm not going to get into. Just like a few words that start with an H, ambo, honor, the H is silent. There are a few exceptions like this where the H is not pronounced. So that's pronounced just like the first word, heir, okay? An heir. So that's the person who inherits the property when somebody dies. An heir with a silent H. So heir, hair, and I'll go again, heir, okay? So if you think of those two words here, the top two words here are pronounced the same way, air. The bottom word has an H sound, hair. Is that clear? Did you get the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. I'll see you soon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.